Let me quickly warn this honorable court. You must behave yourselves, because any mistake as to contempt of court, I do not hesitate in pushing you behind bars. So we are usually very serious here. Behave your very self. Now let the hearing begin.
My Highness, on the 18th of this month, my client here, Mr. Therefor Onwukwe, had a quarrel with Mrs. Wanyima here. And on the process of the quarrel, she threatened to deal with my client, which she later did by bewitching my client here at night.
Objection, my lord. Can you imagine this roadside lawyer? Can you imagine this little mosquito? How dare you address our chief judge as your highness? No, does he look like Igbo of your community? Only you go know that you will open that stupid thing you call the mouth to call him your highness. If you don't know how to address him, then you sit down and go to Aba Obohila Baga.
No! My lord, in our constitution, it's not good for a barrister to use a vulgar word against he or her fellow learned colleague.
Learned colleague, my
I
foot.
rest my case.
Will you sit down, you little brat? In actually look at what we shall see. Objection overruled, my lord. Please overrule it on my behalf.
Barrister Matthias, always allow your defending counsel to make his case known and established. Objection sustained.
I am sorry, my lord. I was only trying to put her in order. Yes! How can she be referring to you as your highness? Iriya Harbi. Iriya Nishinko Kasana Ngonku. Saying your highness. Indirectly insulting your magnitude. And I cannot tolerate that in this honorable high court. So I demand for her apology or disapology. Otherwise, I take it up.
What apology? What apology? Are you out of your mind? Can't you say we are in a law court? Behave yourself, Matthias.
My lord, sorry for the word. My lord, the accused woman here, as we can see, she did what she threatened to do to my client, thereby bewitching my client, and that I will not take. According to the book of law in 1817, it stated clearly, according to judicial terminologies, that anyone found guilty of such crime, thank you, my fellow knowledge man, find guilty, has its own punishable sin to face, and she must face the law. According to the law of Mohammed Gubon, she has to face the law. That's my take.
My lord.
Yes.
Objection sustained.
My lord, pardon my manners. I stand before this honorable court to go against this little brat here. What does she know about law? No, what do you know about law? You want to teach me law? A barrister with curriculum? A barrister with hyphen? A barrister who have handled case of country and country? An overseed barrister. I supersede and I command you maximum respect in this honorable court.
No! We are the high-profile barristers. You don't joke with us. Do you know we studied? Do you know our profile? Who are you? You always brag when you win a case in this court. Mind your words.
I can take that as a compliment. My lord, with due respect, my client here and the complainant, both of them, they are families. Everybody here in this honorable court knows that whenever there is quarrel between two persons, anybody can say anything. Yes, Anybody can voice out any vogel or any threat once there is word called quarrel. My client here is a Christian, and this man here is a pagan. Onyogomo. So what has a Christian to do with Onyogomo? Nobody here will say that he or she is not facing a witchcraft. All of us are derailed and we are sucked into witchcraft. Since I came into this village, every night I fight with witchcraftists. Then I will not wake up one morning and accuse somebody of bewitchcrafting me. It's not done anywhere. So she has nothing. Before her mother died, her mother was a Christian mother, the CWO leader. Her husband, before the husband died, her husband was a church warden. And her late father was supposed to be a reverend father. Before he was confused, so there is no way a Christian of her nature will become a witch. Go and look for it and settle them. Don't impose it on my client. What a sarcastical democracy.